Melanin. Melanin is a pigment in the skin of people of color, which is produced by melanocyte cells and deposited in the epidermal tissue. Melanocytes are neuron-like cells which produce melanin and numerous proteins in response to electromagnetic radiation. The production of melanin starts with the conversion of tyrosine by the enzyme tyrosinase to 5,6-iodylquinone. Tyrosinase is a copper-containing enzyme which catalyzes the conversion of tyrosine, an amino acid, and stabilizes the conformation of the melanin structure. The metal ion acts as a backbone for the polymer structure of melanin, resulting in a metal organic complex. The amino acid forms peptide link formations with the metal ions. The ligands are attached at the nitrogen atoms. The proposed structure resembles a swastika, with the interactions occurring between the central copper Cu ions. This complex metal compound is the only substance in the body that qualifies as an organic semiconductor. Black and brown melanin granules are oval in shape, forming a small dipole antenna. The field due to one dipole can induce a dipole in another melanin granule nearby. Melanin granules act as tiny primitive eyes, forming a large neural network structure whose function is to absorb and decode electromagnetic waves. Neural network computers are learning machines which are made with a number of receptors that can adjust their weights, quantitative properties, to produce a specific output. The bodies of Africans contain massive amounts of melanocytes that encode all life experiences in their melanin production, with the aim of creating an actual reality state after death. During life, visions appear frequently and ESP is common. A representation of a higher form of life in the superconducting body of Osiris the mummy. The reason for mummification was to preserve the skin, which contained a living neural network of melanin. The conductivity of melanin increases with age, so Tutankhamun's mummy is more alive in the spiritual plane than our own. Consider the difference in flammability between living green trees and coal. As a semiconductor, melanin has an energy gap. The absorption of energy is required before electrons can jump into the conduction band and make melanin conductive. An increase in conductivity increases the sensitivity of melanin to the electromagnetic world of etheric beings, astral projections, and spiritual entities. At low frequencies, the conductivity of melanin is small, but at ultra-high frequencies, UHF, melanin is a superconductor. Maximum current flows only on the skin due to the skin effect at melanin's UHF resonant frequency. Melanin is the most important substance in the human body. It is an oxidized form of RNA which enables the body to coordinate the production of proteins needed in cellular repair. Wherever there is cell damage, melanin is seen surrounding the site, functioning as a neurotransmitter in coordination with melanocyte protein production for the repair of damaged DNA. Knowledge of the medicinal value of melanin is suppressed by the medical establishment in order to deny its supremacy. The most damaging attack on African health is the promotion of albino domesticated animals for consumption. In fact, only albino animals are considered domesticated. The yellow pigment in chicken and the lack of tyrannosaurs in albino animals are responsible for premature aging. Illustrates the curative properties of negative ions in the electromagnetic energy of mental concentration can be directed through the breath of life by a competent psychic healer. The laying of hands on which is known to emit energy from the aura.